How's it going, folks? It's been a long time that I haven't uploaded. In fact, the problem is, why am I speaking about problem at first introduction? So, the thing about getting quarantined at home for such a long period, it affects your mental health so much that you feel lazy and you don't feel like doing anything. One of my forte about making videos is where I'm good at making videos, which I feel I'm very much equipped and knowledgeable about video, is going outdoors and meeting people and different type of activities, which is mostly outdoors. But due to the quarantine and being at home, and you just you have to cope up with it. I really like to be with the nature, with the people, with the communities and all, but now staying at home, you don't feel that zeal to go out and express yourself. Today we are going to speak a little bit about how to make a vlog, and how to and why you should make a vlog at the first place, right? This question was from Samrat. Thank you, Samrat. Thanks a lot for asking this question. And what I'll say at first, you have to keep in mind just two things. Number one, the most important thing about making a vlog is you'll have to pick up a niche. A niche means a subject or a particular area of interest that you are really interested in sharing to people, because YouTube is for entertainment. YouTube is also about sharing whatever skills you have, whatever knowledge you have. Something like a cooking show, there it's not about entertainment, it's about sharing knowledge. So what I mean to say about having a niche is that you'll have to have let's say, for example, you are a photographer, so you can speak about, you can speak, and your whole content can be based about about cameras, about lenses, about different type of equipments that is related to cameras. And so your whole channel will be about cameras, about technology. So so that when people will be coming to your channel, they will be knowing, okay, to know about this camera, to know about this lens, I can go to this particular channel, this guy makes it, so my issues is resolved. Obviously there are a lot of channels, lot of millions. I am still a small time YouTuber, but nevertheless you should keep trying, and it should not be something like, okay, you have to do it, but it should be something. Doing YouTube is something like you do it from your heart, and which is you should have that passion to do it. Don't start it just because someone else is doing it. Do it because you really like to do it at the first place, and that will be the number one. Pick up a topic, pick up an area of interest, and then keep making videos on those particular, so that people will be knowing that, okay, this guy makes this, and so that if I go to his channel, and I'll get to know about it. Now the second one, and that is the most important, and it's called 3x structure. And what is 3x structure, I would like to show you in a demo. I'm gonna switch it to the PC right now. Let me search for paint. Here it is. You open the paint. Now number one is niche, number two is 3x structure. So you should always, while making a vlog, you should always make sure there are you follow this 3x structure. I'm gonna make a square, a rectangle. Now let's say all of this area that you are watching is this is your whole story, this is your whole vlog, I mean. So now let me draw a line here, and let me draw a line here. So now that we have made a 3 box, okay, let me say 3x structure. So number one will be here. Let me say number 1, number 2, number 3. Now what this actually means is in below 1, it's called the beginning, okay. this is the middle part, and this is the ending part. So this whole, if you see the structure, the 3x structure is like in the beginning of the video, it's like you are introducing yourself, or maybe maybe you are giving a little bit about what is about you, a little bit about you, a little bit about what the channel is all about and all. So this is the beginning, and then you start your videos. If you go back to my previous videos, when I was outdoors and all, when I was going outdoors and all, I used to always use 3x structure. So I start by introducing that where I am, where I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So this is the beginning of the video. Let's say your video is about 3 minutes. So your beginning can be around, like, let's say 45 seconds. Then you slowly transition into the middle part, where you are giving more emphasis on about what is the video about. I mean, if you are like what I used to do when I used to go outdoors, I used to focus on taking the bites of the people, showing different things, showing different activities about what is going on the day, and then slowly you progress into the ending part of the video. So in the ending part, you can summarize the whole thing about what happened and all, and that's how you can use this first, second, and third 3x structure to make a story. And always make sure that your vlogs are kind of a story, because we all love stories, right? And knowingly, unknowingly, if you notice from now on, if you notice about when you watch a movie, you see at the first they show that the main hero is normal, and he's doing his regular stuff, he's being at home. Then suddenly he has to go somewhere and he has to do something, and then he's faced with troubles, obstacles here and there, and then for the final part, he goes and gets his goal. So it all works like this. So these are the basics about how to make a vlog. And another thing is why you should make a vlog. This thing, what I would like to say is why you should make a vlog is because our time is limited in this world, and we don't know how long we are going to be alive. Many of my friends are passing away, many of the people are passing away, and legends are passing away. When we think about that person, we have not met. Let's say, for example, Irfan Khan, he passed away recently, and then Rishi Kapoor also, he passed away. Personally, we don't know them, right? But what we remember about them is their work, what they have done. And I think for many coming years, and it will be in the history books about how much they have contributed to the society, to the people, via their work. And if you make a vlog, it automatically makes a history about whatever you have contributed, whatever you have done. And in an honest way, if you do, surely people will see, and recognition will come afterwards. But main thing is doing, and sharing your stories, sharing your work, and also that in the end it's your work that remains in this world, right? And lifespan of people are very low, and I wouldn't want to waste my my days not sharing whatever I have done. I like to be creative. I like to write stuffs and make movies, make short films, make vlogs, so that it stays as a record. Also, it's not about views, it's not about this and that. Views will come slowly, it will come. I believe that. Obviously now when I see that my videos are not getting that much of views, but it's okay. Like I know that the quality of the content that I'm making right now, it won't reach that much, because it's already out there, and it's all trial and error. It's all trial and error. And gaming, let's see if it works. I don't think it's gonna work, because that is not my forte. I was trying and I'm failing, but it's okay. And and I've made a plan, and then I'll be working on it, and in future you'll be getting to see different type of stories. You'll be getting to see different type of stories, and that's more about it. And hopefully in the coming time I'll try and share stories when I go out of in the outdoors, and you'll get to see slowly. But this was me from here signing off, and I hope you got a little bit of information about how to make a vlog and why you should make a vlog. Hope all your families are doing well, and if you find this video useful, you can share it to your friends, you can share it to your families, you can share it to your colleagues and all, so that if they also want to make videos about if something they're interested in, so that they can follow this 2 steps. Last but not the least, what type of equipments you should use: just a camera, and slowly you'll get to know a camera is good enough. With an audio recorder, you can record with your phone and also, but main thing is the story. If the story is strong, you can make a crazy and a very beautiful vlogs YouTube video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.